to France and used her as a hostage to steal the Mona Lisa. Pardon me. It started an international crime ring with the money he got. And you want to free him? Then he used the profits from his Egyptian crime ring to fund 3 wars in the Middle East. And for some reason a group of people called the FBI were always on his case, all in his business for no reason. Oh yeah, no reason. And how is there more I done? Oh, this is just the start, the start. Then he